I have this riding mower LT 2000 by Craftsman. I'm having a problem where I can start it, so, and also has a problem with the wheel. But this is kind of low in air, so I need to fix that one. So when I try to start it, there's no clicking sound or something. So I'm gonna try to check first the battery, see what's going on with that. Sometimes you need to check the voltage. It's supposed to be in 12 volts, so I have to check the battery first, and then let's see how it goes. Then we'll check the gas. The gas still good. I think they are full, almost full, so I don't think that's the problem. So I'm gonna try to see first, check the leads of the battery, see they're okay, they're connected. So I'm gonna try to see if I could check the voltage and clean the lid, the two lids, the black one and the positive one, the red one. So just gonna get my meat, put this one in DC to measure the voltage first. It's at 12 volts. So now I'm to measure it, see if the battery is 12 volts. Let's see. Okay, so right now I'm getting 1232. So I'm just gonna disconnect this battery first and try to clean the lid, the port, and remove some of the corrosion if possible, and then we can restart the again. So let me see if this will go through. So while I'm waiting for the battery to recharge, I'm gonna try to put some air on the battery using this pot pump. I hope there's no big leak on this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pump it. I think it's all set. It's already full, so I'm just gonna take this out. Should be good. Okay, let's go check it again. See how much would be the voltage now. Should put it DC 12 volts battery. So let's go check, see if the battery voltage went up. So right now it's 12.75, 12.71, 70. So this should be good. Okay, we can start. Okay, so let's go start it. See, now fix the problem. So we need to charge a little bit on the battery side. So right now is 12.7 to 1, so it looks okay. Fix the problem.